Far too often, we find that a lot of our prospects and customers are flying blind. They are not given key information that they need to know about their businesses on a regular basis that would help them make wise business decisions. At SBS Accounting Advisors, we believe in going the extra mile and finding all the important information and data we can to help you grow your business and reach your goals. That all starts with key performance indicators, or KPIs. With KPIs, we can see how your business is running and what aspects need to be fixed or changed. We can also find specific data that helps us deliver powerful solutions for business growth now and into the future. With KPI reporting, we get a vision of the key drivers that decide your company's success. KPIs enable us to track the key metrics that determine the goals you are trying to reach as a company. These can be financial or non-financial goals, such as hours worked or closed leads versus lost leads. Join me today as we discuss further what are KPIs and how do they impact your business. Hi there, I'm Jonathan Bill with SBS Accounting and Advisors. Before we get into the content today, I want to take the opportunity to welcome everyone to the channel. Thank you for being here. I hope this video helps you as you strive to grow your business by understanding key performance indicators. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. It really helps us grow the channel and reach new people. While you're at it, be sure to hit that notification bell to be alerted of all our new videos as soon as we post them. As we discuss the topic today, leave a comment below about whether you've ever heard of KPIs before and if you use them in your business. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Be sure to like the video if you want to see more content like this from us in the future. Now let's get into it. What are KPIs and how do they impact your business? Number one, what are KPIs? Key performance indicators are how we track our progress toward an intended result. KPIs allow us to focus on what's important for our business, build a strategy to advance our business toward that intended goal, and then gather the analytical data necessary in order to evaluate our progress. Managing your KPIs includes setting a target, that is, to set your goal and then track your progress against that goal, and then manage your leading and lagging indicators. These indicators are exactly that. They indicate your progress toward attaining your target. A leading indicator is your data input that predicts your future success, and a lagging indicator is the result of the implemented system. Leading indicators should help you determine whether or not you're on the right path, while lagging indicators will tell you whether or not the system is actually working. An easy example to understand the difference would be if you're trying to lose weight. Your leading indicator would be to track your calorie intake throughout the day, while your lagging indicator would be reading your actual weight from the scale at the end of the day. The world of key performance indicators can get really deep, really fast. Before we get into the weeds too much, let's discuss some examples of KPIs. Number two, examples of labor KPIs. Let's use our car wash clients as an example. For them, we track the number of cars washed each month, that's your non-financial data. We then divide total wash revenue per month, that's your financial data, by the number of cars. This blending of financial and non-financial data leads to powerful information that helps determine growth strategies. When you determine the dollars per car, car wash owners can see trends and discover how much they need to upsell to customers to make up for any missed revenue. Another key area is tracking the number of rainy days in a month, which can be devastating to a car wash business. We then compare those numbers month to month and help clients plan accordingly. This is just the tip of the iceberg of what we can track. Other KPIs on the labor side include utilization rate, which helps determine if the billable time your staff spends on a client meets the hourly work week, or if they're spending too much time for what you're billing. Another task is finding out the revenue per hour, which gives a scope of your hiring process, if you're pricing your services correctly, and how well you're handling your sales. Simply put, if the job takes you longer to complete than the hours you're budgeting for, you must charge your clients more. This is all about budgeting hours versus actual hours. How about the ROI on total labor costs, which breaks down the actual company profit you make on the total cost of your staff? This says a lot because it shows how important your team is and what they bring to the table. A highly effective team ensures your investment is worth it, but a team that is not producing likely means you must shift your focus on strategically improving the very foundation of the company. Number 3, examples of non-labor KPIs. As I mentioned before, the combination of tracking financial and non-financial data really gives us the key metrics we need to help you grow and succeed. With non-labor KPIs, there are a number of areas to track. One is the gross profit percentage, which illustrates how efficient your company is at delivering its services. In other words, how much are you truly making on the work you do? We can track this by client, job, team, location, and many other areas to get transparent results and see your strengths and weaknesses. Other metrics to track include client retention rate and employee turnover rate. It's so important to not just get new business, but also keep these clients happy for the long run so that they stay with you. That requires having a great staff that will always go the extra mile to carry out your message and please the customer. If you're seeing frequent turnover in your clients or staff, you must work to see why and strategize what to do to fix this problem. Number 4, how to implement KPIs. Hopefully this helps to explain, at least on the surface level, what KPIs are and how they can help you grow your business. Now, how do we implement them into our business? Well, as you can imagine, this could get out of hand really quickly. At a brief glance, you could probably start to implement this practice within your business in just a couple of moments as you think through what your current process is and how you currently track success. However, if you want to make a meaningful change and encourage exponential growth, this may not be something that you can do on your own. If this all seems overwhelming, that's totally normal. One thing we often realize is that our clients may not know what KPIs they should be tracking or monitoring. Don't worry, we are here to help. The first thing we do is sit down with you to understand your pain points. At the same time, we will review your financials and put together a list of recommended KPIs to track for you. Then we will meet with you on a regular basis to go over your KPIs, discuss trends, celebrate successes, and learn from mistakes. It's a painless yet powerful process to find the pulse of your business and determine what can be done to ignite business growth. If you would like to look at what specific KPIs work best for your business or have any questions, please reach out to us by phone or by email. If you do, you'll be on your way to realizing success and recognizing your goals. And if you've made it this far in the video, I want to thank you for watching. And please be sure to check out our YouTube channel and website for other helpful resources. Again, if you haven't already, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Also, leave us a comment. Have you ever heard of KPIs before? Do you use them in your business? Thanks for watching.